This is my Axial SCX24 deadbolt. I've had this thing for a little while. I got it for my birthday back in September. Haven't really done any videos over it, but I thought I would. It's a pretty cool car. I'm going to show you some modifications that I've done to it over the time I've had it, me running and having fun with this thing. So now we can get into the bulk of the upgrades, because obviously there's a lot of random stuff going on in here. Let's start with the obvious. These are Milestar Patagonia tires mounted to these SSD aluminum 5-slot beadlock wheels with brass rings on the inside. These tires are super tacky on rock. I don't know how they are on dirt or anything, but they definitely are the best tires I've had from RC 4-wheel drive on rocks. In total, this was probably around $70 counting the tires, with $50 for the wheels. For the steer, these heavier wheels and some other stuff that I'll get to in a second, I got this EcoPower 12-gram servo, and it's been working really good so far, and it's metal geared, so it should last a lot longer. It also does not come with a servo saver, which is better for crawling. This thing was around $15, so it's a pretty worthy upgrade for that price. An aluminum servo mount from Samix that will mount the servo. You can't use the stock mount. And here is the power and speed of this EcoPower 12-gram servo. I don't know if you can see them in there or not, but I have some brass wheel hexes from Hot Racing that I bought to lower the center of gravity with the stock wheels, but they didn't really do much. They're just there for durability, I guess, now. So the next major thing I did was I reversed my ESC and battery position. Heavier battery up front means that you're going to have better vertical climbs, because the gravity's going to want to pull it straight to the ground. And it's lighter in the rear now, so it should be better on climbs, because this will not want to flip up. Cut this battery tray up, zip tied it here, wrap the Velcro around the battery. ESC is just friction fit in there right now until I get some good tape, but it actually stays in there really well, so I might just keep it like that. I also had to mount the servo wire all the way around the chassis, and I actually used zip ties just to make it look a little neater, and you can't see it when the body's on. So yeah, that is my Axial SCX24 deadbolt. The one last thing I wanted to say was that, yes, I lost my other body clip and the rubber cover for this one, so the body's held on pretty ruggedly right now, so we'll see how long that lasts.
Alright, so now we're going to take this thing on a little run on my crawler course that I have in my backyard. This course was built over the summer in my backyard. It's just been evolving as the truck has been upgraded. A lot of the stuff that you're seeing here is not possible stock. The course has just been changed as I've upgraded this truck. If I would have done this with a stock rig, it wouldn't make it through like half of this.
I did this earlier, I don't know if I can do it again. Maybe. Rear axle, I think. Tired is digging in so hard.
In the future, I plan on taking this truck, like, through some trails or whatever, like through some mud, maybe through some creeks. Off camera, I actually did waterproof the ESC using some nail polish, although I don't know how permanent that's gonna be. This video was taken after I pretty much submerged it in water the day before, so it's still running fine here. Because this truck is such a popular platform, I really want to see where I'm going to go with this entire build, and I'm definitely going to have a lot more videos of this truck on my channel.
I have the back up. It looks so easy, but for some reason this section is so hard. Oh, what am I doing? So it was struggling to get up that because of the motor and stuff, and then as soon as I reached that ridge, it didn't need as much power, and I had the throttle on the same, and it just went. We can make it now. This part is like a really just like 50-point turn here. Gotta hold that up. What? I don't know how you're gonna film this part because it's like, God, this chicken's gonna die. You can see it pretty good actually. Tire keeps getting out of the hole and brain it sometimes. Do this. Oh my God.
It'd be a nice background noise for your video.
I can't focus with it. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. That's so bad, but...
Because we're almost to the end of this rock course, I wanted to mention that the day after I filmed this, the motor burnt out. These stock motors are notorious for burning out under very light use, so I'm probably going to get like the Mofo RC like 30 size motor with the 11 tooth pinion. Should have a lot more torque, a lot better made, so that'll probably be my next upgrade. If I don't make that upgrade, I'll probably get the 50 size motor and then maybe put on a bigger pinion, let it rip a little more. So that's probably going to be my next upgrade, is the power, because I've burnt out 2 motors now and it's only been like 6 months of owning this thing.
I'm trying to step away from the camera. Normally I'm like really close to it.
Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.